Marine Dynamics Tours, together with sister company Dyer Island Cruises, offer 5-star shark cage diving and whale-watching eco-tours in the unique Dyer Island ecosystem of Gansbaai, South Africa. Through our environmental project, the Dyer Island Conservation Trust, we are making a real difference for conservation and the community. Close to the southern tip of Africa, the greater Dyer Island area and the surrounding ocean is a critically important ecosystem. The 20-hectare Dyer Island, managed by Cape Nature, is home to breeding colonies of the endangered African penguin and 15 other seabird species. Its importance is recognized by BirdLife International and classified an important bird area. About 60,000 Cape fur seals are resident on Giza Rock opposite the island, and they attract the densest population of great white sharks in the world in the famous Shark Alley. The many sheltered areas of the bay provide the breeding ground for the southern right whales that migrate here from the sub-Antarctic islands between June to December each year. The area is also visited by brides and humpback whales, as well as various dolphin species. Marine Dynamics is based and operates from the Great White House in Kleinbaai. This, our Marine Dynamics tourism hub, is where our clients receive a warm reception, enjoy a full breakfast or lunch, and listen to a detailed safety and educational briefing before heading out to sea. The Great White House has a restaurant and caters for all dietary requirements. This is the only place where one can dine under a southern right whale skeleton. There's also a curio shop on site where we sell clothing, gifts, and the work of local crafters. Across all aspects of the tourism hub, we minimize waste, recycle, use grey water, save electricity, and buy locally to reduce travel miles. We have an organic vegetable garden on site that supplies our restaurant. Marine Dynamics and Dyer Island Cruises provide a 5-star service, expert crew, and onboard marine biologist educating clients on the Dyer Island ecosystem and the marine Big Five, as well as the wide variety of pelagic birds we encounter. In turn, our clients become ambassadors of these marine species that face many threats. Our boats, designed by a naval architect in consultation with our team, who have thousands of hours of experience at sea, are custom-made for safety and comfort for shark and whale viewing, with various decks for photographic opportunities and a very spacious cage for shark cage diving. Our clients receive clean waterproof jackets, comfortable life jackets, and a dry, clean wetsuit. Our boats are Blue Flag certified because of our commitment to the environment and safety. We also offer pelagic shark diving and pelagic bird watching expeditions. The thousands of positive reviews on TripAdvisor are testimony to the impact that is felt by the clients. We are the only option for many tour operators who believe in our philosophy and 5-star service. Marine Dynamics and associated companies employ over 90 staff members, thereby directly supporting over 200 dependents. Marine Dynamics is a Level 2 broad-based black economic empowerment business supporting local employment and education as well as enterprise development. Our staff receive intensive training and upskilling, thus improving their opportunities for economic progress. Marine Dynamics has been a long-term sponsor of the local Zama Zama football team that many of the crew are involved in. We host monthly marine evenings for the community with experts presenting on various marine topics. Many boat trips are donated to assist other charities with their fundraising efforts. Marine Dynamics and Dyer Island Cruises invest millions in marketing locally and abroad. Together with our tourism partners, we help sell South Africa, the Western Cape, the Overstrand and Gansbaai as a destination internationally. Our area is made more famous by our work with film crews such as National Geographic, Discovery, BBC, Al Jazeera and many others. Profits from the filming fees go directly to our conservation work. Our model of ecotourism is globally recognized through various case studies and responsible tourism awards. Marine Dynamics and Dyer Island Cruises are Fair Trade Tourism certified since 2008 and provide logistical and financial support to the owner-established Dyer Island Conservation Trust. Both companies live by the motto of discover and protect and believe that your choice makes a difference. Marine Dynamics has supported some groundbreaking studies on great white sharks. With a dedicated research team and vessel, studies include population assessment, tagging and tracking, behavioral surveys, wound healing, and environmental parameter monitoring. With numerous scientific publications, we believe this critical scientific evidence will ultimately affect conservation and legislation decisions at government level. Our in-house certified dive team play an important support role in this research. Another key project is African penguin conservation. This species is on the endangered list, and since 2006, the Dyer Island Conservation Trust initiated the Penguin Housing Project on Dyer Island and other breeding colonies. The Penguin Home addresses the crucial fledgling stage of the African penguin, whose natural breeding habitat, the guano, was harvested for agricultural fertilizer. The home provides protection from predators and the elements. In 2015, we established the African Penguin and Seabird Sanctuary, a world-class rehabilitation facility providing temporary care to seabirds in need with a special focus on the African penguin. We are able to save and release this endemic species in our area and on Dyer Island, and we hope to see an increase in their numbers and turn around their possible extinction. We support national and international studies of the marine Big Five, working together with universities and recognized institutions. Our staff are instrumental in marine animal and bird rescues, including whale disentanglements, and also handle any scientific sampling required of deceased animals. Our marine pollution efforts include the unique fishing line bin, and since 2010 we have collected thousands of kilometers of fishing line. We host monthly beach cleanups in partnership with our local municipality and other NGOs, contributing to essential data to help address these issues. Besides the 30,000 people we educate through our businesses every year, we also work within the local community with various school groups. The Dyer Island Conservation Trust's environmental education program, known as DEEP, works with a dedicated group of young learners and runs for 3 years to monitor and evaluate the impact and growth of each and every individual learner. Our aim is to expose these young learners to the field of science and conservation and serve as a forerunner for future skills training. All conservation and community projects are supported by our Fair Trade Tourism Certified International Marine Volunteer Program, which is now more than 10 years old. The opportunity to work with the iconic great white shark attracts over 200 students every year. Many stay for extended periods, and they contribute to the local economy. The volunteers form an integral part of our team, and we have many returning repeatedly to work in our unique area. The Dyer Island ecosystem around which we work is unique and fragile, and it is our priority to ensure the marine life in the area flourish and remain for many years to come. Be assured that your choice makes a difference.